Have you ever wondered why so many lotions, cleaning products, and air fresheners are lavender scented? What is it about the scent of lavender that naturally gives us a sense of calm, aiding in stress relief, anxiety reduction, and sleep? The answer may be the terpene linalool. Unlike all the other terpenes that we are exploring in this series, linalool's true superpower is its scent. Linalool's distinctive floral scent and potent therapeutic properties have been extensively studied for its potential to reduce stress and anxiety, promote relaxation, and provide relief from pain and inflammation. The sense of smell is intricately linked to emotion and memory centers in your brain, thus establishing a potential cause and effect between the terpene's pleasant scent, the cause, with a relaxed and improved mood, the effect. Since the 19th century, linalool has been produced naturally and synthetically, as the demand for the terpene is increasingly high. Currently, linalool is used as a scent in 60% to 80% of perfumed hygiene products and cleaning agents including soaps, detergents, shampoos, and lotions, and is also used by pest professionals as an insecticide for fleas, fruit flies, and cockroaches. Similar to the terpenes camphene and citronellol, linalool may be used as an ingredient in mosquito repellents. Linalool can be found in over 200 types of plants. It is so common that the average person consumes over 2 grams of linalool every year in their food. Plants rich in linalool include fruits like lime, orange, lemon, bergamot, grapefruit, pineapple, and black currants. Spices such as basil, oregano, cinnamon, and the seeds and flowers of coriander. Plants and flowers such as mint, rosewood, bay laurel, ylang-ylang, jasmine, geranium, and lavender. Linalool is known for a variety of therapeutic benefits, including anti-anxiety, sedative, anti-inflammatory, analgesic, anticonvulsant, and antimicrobial properties were found in one scientific study published in 2012 in the journal Anaerobe, which revealed that linalool demonstrated strong antimicrobial activity against bacteria found in the mouth. As a result, the researchers recommend toothpaste and gargling solutions with low concentrations of linalool. Linalool may help in treating insomnia. Many individuals look to linalool as a homeopathic tool to relieve insomnia through the inhalation of essential oils. According to a 2009 study conducted on animals and published in Phytomedicine, researchers found that lavender oil containing linalool could induce relaxation without affecting motor coordination. Epilepsy. Linalool has also demonstrated therapeutic potential in several neurological conditions, including epilepsy. A 1999 study published in the journal Phytomedicine found that the terpene could offer anticonvulsive properties in seizure models. Pain and inflammation. The Journal of Surgical Research published a study in 2013 examining how linalool could affect acute lung injuries in a mouse. The scientists concluded that linalool inhibited inflammation in the mouse model control group and could, therefore, be a candidate for the treatment of inflammatory diseases. The mild depression of the central nervous system produces a feeling of calm, slowing both the breathing and heart rates, which indirectly translates as a feeling of relaxation. Therefore, linalool inhalation through cannabis or an essential oil may have a positive, calming effect on brain cells and pain signals. Anxiety, stress, and depression. Breathing in linalool through cannabis or essential oils may produce a stress-reducing effect as well as an uplifted mood, thanks to the olfactory processing of the floral scent. Further, as a component of lavender oil, linalool may also reduce stress in people. A comprehensive study titled Lavender and the Nervous System, published in 2013 in the journal Evidence-Based Complementary and Alternative Medicine, asserted that linalool and linalool acetate are rapidly absorbed through the skin after topical application with massage and are thought to be able to cause central nervous system depression. Alzheimer's disease. Researchers are also exploring its potential use to mediate symptoms of Alzheimer's and other neurological conditions. Linalool's potential as a therapeutic neurological agent is under exploration, with one 2015 study published in the journal Neuropharmacology indicating that the terpene could offer hope for Alzheimer's disease patients. The study found that linalool reversed the neuropathological and behavioral impairments in mice with a model of Alzheimer's. As with all terpenes in this series, we encourage you to seek the advice of qualified healthcare professionals regarding any medical condition or treatment plan containing cannabis or related products. If you want to experience the relaxing effects of this terpene, there are numerous cannabis varieties high in linalool, such as the following: Amnesia Haze, Lavender, Master Kush, Skittles, Dosey Does, Granddaddy Purple, Play Confidential. Next on Terpene Tuesday, we will be examining another fascinating compound. Keep exploring, and if you have found value in this topic and want to learn more, please like and subscribe to our channel. You can find additional resources and information on our website. See link below, as well as cool swag. Until next time, peace.